Good afternoon, everyone. This is Ed Harrison with the Pikes Peak Strategic Group and the Ameriplan Corporation. What I want to speak to you today is about dental, ladies and gentlemen, dental. I happened to read an article this today, and it talked about what you can do to save money on your dental care for you and your entire family. And they listed five different ways you could do that. One would be a dental school in your local area. Two could be a hygienist school in your local area. But they also caution that you need to check with the American Dental Association for those particular schools in your area. And there's also a licensed person with these dental students. So that is a way that you can save money. Also, they talked about preventive care and that sort of thing. But one of the things that, and regular dental insurance, and a number of you probably may have or may not have dental insurance through your work, or you may buy it privately online or whatever. But really, what struck me is the fact that even though you have dental schools, dental hygienists, and federal low-cost clinics and so forth, to me, the Ameriplan Discount Dental Program can solve all those problems, ladies and gentlemen. We have dental, vision, prescription, and chiropractic service for the entire household for $24.95. So we can take care of all your needs. Those of you who may be a little leery about going to a school or a dental school or a clinic or so forth, you can go to your regular dentist in your community because we're in 42 of the 50 states. So Ameriplan Discount Dental, we cover everything: basic cleanings, x-rays, crowns, root canals, implants. We do it all, ladies and gentlemen. So even though I speak to the fact that dental schools and dental hygienists and all these clinics and so forth could be in your communities, I still recommend that you take a look at the Ameriplan Corporation. We're located in Plano, Texas. We've been around for over 27 years. We've been featured in a number of articles on the Wall Street Journal and on Good Morning America. And we can save your entire household $24.95 a month for dental, vision, prescription, and chiropractic service. That's 83 cents a day, ladies and gentlemen. So I encourage you to do your shopping around and consider Ameriplan. There is some additional information at the bottom of this video, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you.